This video reviews Trec Treadmill Preventative Maintenance procedures. Maintenance. With durable, high-performance components, this equipment is designed for heavy usage with minimal maintenance required. To keep it in top condition, perform regular daily, weekly, and monthly preventative maintenance routines outlined in this video. Recommended tools. Daily. Wipe down all surfaces. Note: always spray cleaning solutions onto a clean towel first, then wipe the equipment. Daily. Power the treadmill off and then wipe the running belt with a dry cloth. Daily and weekly. Elevate the unit, disconnect from power, and then vacuum underneath. Weekly. Check belt tracking to ensure the belt stays centered. Start the treadmill and set the speed to 3 miles an hour. Using micro adjustments with a 1/4-inch Allen key, make sure the running belt tracks to the center. Monthly. Elevate the machine, disconnect from power, and then check the condition of the power cord. Monthly. Power off, inspect and clean the underside of the running belt. Check the running belt tension, adjusting as needed. Monthly. Remove the motor shroud, disconnect from power, and then check the drive belt tension. Monthly. Check all settings and keypad performance. Enter maintenance mode and select keypad test to verify each key set works. Note: the Bluetooth button and entertainment keypad keys do not respond in the keypad test. Biannually. Enter maintenance mode and calibrate the elevation or incline. While in maintenance mode, calibrate the motor or speed. Biannually. Check belt and deck condition and replace if wear is found. Biannually. Unplug the machine, vacuum under the motor shroud, being careful around electrical assemblies and wiring. Note: ensure the machine is disconnected from power while vacuuming. Biannually. Unplug the unit, wait for any MCB LEDs to go out, and then check all the power and wiring connections, including the speed sensor. Additional resources are the Treadmill Owner's Manual, the Treadmill Assembly Manual, Treadmill Service Manual, and the Display Service Manual.